enormously gigantic problem with artificial intelligence and AI. It's in the conundrum is it's impacting the big tech at unknown ratios. We don't know how badly that they've miscalculated. We literally don't know. In other words, let me give you a simple example. So, if you, in the world of legal law AI, I previously ran a really minuscule legal services company in 2000, from 2002 to 2005, but I didn't really start generating new revenue until 2010, 2011 to 2013 or 14. Then we closed. For only about two and a half years did we turn $1 in upside revenue. The net valuation was, I think, our best month net for the month was like $35,000 a month. But then we had other months where only $7,000 net per month. And then, in totality, it may have been a total loss depending on the time of effort, energy, and process that we put into it. So there's valuations, but that's more business side. From the strictly pure law side or pure legalistic side, you've got, let's say you have an artificial intelligence algorithm and it goes through every single filed case since the inception of the court system's legal system. They can probably identify the nuances, the changes, things of that sort. You can read about it in law books, things of that sort. The conundrum was with the valuation or revaluation of law firms and what's called the consolidation or the destruction of law is that you've got a gazillion cases that were never filed that nobody knows about. Similar to the officer type of realm where there was no phone call. The person didn't have a phone. It did have a phone, but somebody else was using it. They had a roommate that there was a and so for me personally, Andrew C. Graham, Andy Romero Graham or whatever, as soon as I discovered that the job that I was working had even a smidge of non-ethical process in their business process, I was ignorant when I first started out in business. I immediately quit. So I quit every single job that I ever had because of ethics, believe it or not. And my company's websites, Automation Anytime and others, have endeavored to be ethical since the inception. Hence, we're still in pre-launch, but our products and services are good. With that being said, imagine if a lawyer knows or an attorney knows that somebody's completely innocent, they lose the case, would they quit law?